Magaling araw sa inyo lahat. Ito yung kakanin natin guys. Tapos merong hotdog. Hotdog guys. Hotdog na may sarasa. Guys, tapos meron tayong dala. Tapos night food. So guys, bago tayo kumain, mag-thank you tayo. Lord, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkain. Tapos ang inyong pagkain. Amen. Guys, natin tayo guys. Natin guys yung parang hilaw pa yung hotdog ah. Hindi masarap yung hotdog guys. Hindi ba siya gawang na luto? Natin kanin. Hindi masarap yung hotdog. Ilaw pa kasi hindi nila naluto maigi. Ang hotdog kasi guys, ano yan, nilalaga muna tapos piniprito guys. na namin sa pusa guys. So guys, thank you very much po sa panonood po ninyo. Napaka-isip po ng ating video today. Dismaya tayo sa handog. Pero okay lang na kasi meron tayo ng ating pagdala. So, nabusog naman po. So, maraming salamat to all new viewers. You can now start to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. And if you have something request, I will immediately to reply and answer. And I will try my best to do that you want to request. And also to my kabayan in the Philippines, shout out to all of you and to all still there in the subscribers and viewers. Thank you very much also, and thus don't forget to comment down below. So thank you guys and have a good day, and see you again for my next video. Bye bye.